Monica.
Monica.
Mohika.
Mohika.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the name of the label?
It's Purple Potato.
Oh, Purple Potato.
Purple
okay.
Potato.
Okay. Where
Yeah.
are you based?
We're based in Gurgaon, sir.
You're based in Gurgaon. So what's the story behind the brand? What's the story behind Purple Potato?
Purple is the color of passion and luxury, and potatoes are the
So
most
purple is the color of
versatile.
luxury.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
important.
yeah.
Okay.
And our fabrics feel
And why potato?
luxurious. Potatoes are the most versatile thing in your kitchen. You can
Yeah.
bake them, fry them, do
Yeah.
anything with them.
Yes.
And we wanted our clothes to be that way as well. So you
Okay.
can dress them up, dress them down, but they're luxurious. They feel comfortable.
Okay.
And the brand is a mind, body, and soul concept.
Wow.
So fashion doesn't have
Just
to be
explain quickly the mind, body,
uncomfortable.
and the soul concept. What do you
Well,
think about that?
It needs to be a holistic thing.
Holistic
Like, it's
thing.
not just about the clothes you wear, it's also
Yeah.
about how you feel. So, not just clothes, we have candles as well.
Okay.
Somebody could easily think that why clothes and candles? But
Yeah.
we're trying to sell a concept,
Trying
not
to sell a
just clothes.
concept. Okay. How long have you been in the industry?
About 2.5 years.
2.5 years. You have a fashion background, some fashion training. How did it
No,
start?
I have an operations economics background, but my parents are fashion designers.
Okay. So then, why did you Was it passion? Was it attraction towards fashion or attraction towards the concept?
Well, we've grown up being fashionable, but conversation about fabric, sustainability, they're dining table conversations. So it
Okay.
was but natural that both of us got involved.
Okay.
Yeah. Me and my sister.
Your parents are into designing.
Yes.
Could you tell
Correct.
something about them?
Well, they have been in the industry.
By the name and the name?
Dust to Dawn, it's a buying agency.
Okay,
Yes.
Dust to Dawn. Yeah.
So
Okay.
we build brands.
Okay.
That's the bulk of our business. Purple Potato was launched in the pandemic,
Okay.
but we are exporters.
Okay.
So we design and manufacture collections.
And
for
are you
different
also
labels.
exporting as Purple Potato is also exporting?
yes,
Wow,
we do
great,
that
great,
as well.
great. Just explain some of your collection, ma'am.
Well,
Anything you would like to explain?
well,
Elaborate?
we work with sustainable fabrics.
And I'm saying you have knits also probably.
Yes, it's literally 99% knits. We have maybe one capsule edit for wovens, but
Okay.
it's all knit. Sometimes we work with viscose lycra,
Okay.
100% cotton. We've even launched like our t-shirts in bamboo
Okay.
cotton.
Wow.
Yeah, it's all about garment dyeing, vintage wash, a lived-in
Who's
vibe.
doing the designing part?
My father.
Oh, your father is doing the designing part.
This
Wow.
is part of our men's collection.
Wow.
We do a lot of raw edges, patchwork.
Great,
Yes.
great. This is amazing. Yeah,
Thank
shifleys
you.
also. Yeah.
Yeah. So I can show you different textures.
Okay.
And this is all garment dyed.
Mhm.
This is shifley. Then we have
And
cotton
this is all garment
waffle.
dyed. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So the same
So
top
I just
would
want to
be,
ask a technical question.
Sure.
What is the difference then when you have a fabric dyed
fabric dye. May fabric gets dyed
first
altogether,
and then you
and
create
then the garment gets
but
made.
use करने में क्या difference आता है फिर?
In garment dye, it gives it a little washed out look. It gives it a more vintage, toned down version.
Okay.
It's not in your face, neon, bright. Like we do have bright colors, but they're not at all.
They are toned
popping.
down actually.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
And we like that. We're very
Earthy.
muted. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
And what about the costing? Which is more means costly? Probably garment dyeing is more
it is.
costly.
It
Yeah.
is. So that is why we've been working with vendors for so long. So we
Okay.
do have a network with them,
Okay.
and that's how. So, for example, to meet our MOQs, fabric MOQs, we would have a lot of fabric, but we do different colors. So the same top would be in multiple colors. That helps us a lot.
How does your economics background help in the business?
I am a hardcore operations girl.
Operations, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
What to do, how to get it done. Like, that's my thing.
Okay.
So that's how I help.
Okay. And what about the marketing thing? So you have
My
an Insta?
sister,
Okay.
she does social media.
She does
She's absolutely amazing at finding colors that go well, textures that go well, and how
Okay.
to present it. Both of us now, we shoot a lot of reels
Okay.
and just in-person conversations with people.
Okay. What's the name of the Insta handle?
It's called purplepotato.in.
Okay. Great. And any walk-in studio?
No, not yet, but
Not
we
yet.
are manifesting this year.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.